Welcome to Predefined Notifications in the Office Events section inside the client file. In this video, I'll explain how the predefined notifications work. So in this example, I'm inside of a client file in Office Events. For the Office Event rejects, in the far column under Client Notifications, there's a link called Send Predefined Notification. It's highlighted in orange, and by highlighting in orange, that means there is a message already set up that we can automatically send to the client. So I just will left click, and it's going to launch a message box where it says Send Client Notification. So in the drop-down menu, I have predefined notifications. I select. So I've automatically customized and set these up. Two of them. One's dependents claimed, and one's called tax return status. And I did that in admin event status, and then you click on the envelope icon, and it'll display where your predefined notifications are, and you can create as many as you'd like. So it's a great way to send a message to the client that you find yourself typing the same message over and over again. You can also customize it or edit it on the fly right here. So this example, I'm going to go ahead and say dependents claimed. So it automatically will put in an email subject heading. Dear Daniel, it's going to pre-fill the client's name, the taxpayer's name, and then your return was rejected by the IRS. For one of your dependents were claimed on another tax return, and it's a thank you with your company name. It's also going to send a text. So you set this all up in admin and event status. Now if I choose, oh no, it was a mistake, it wasn't dependents claimed, it was something else, I would just go ahead and hit clear the message out, and then select the drop down tax return status. And this is just a generic message, your return rejected by the IRS, please contact us as soon as possible. Same way with the text. And then you just send that out. Just select send. In this case, I don't have a, I don't even have a, I didn't have an email. Okay. So there must have been something wrong under email address here, but I can just go ahead and send this out. It'll be logged right here under the printer icon. And I can see the message that actually went out, and I can keep track of how many messages are sent. If I go ahead and expand this, and again, you can see, so if right here, if I click on this, I have no messages. That's why they're not highlighted in orange. However, I can go ahead and just create a message. I could just type the subject, anything in the body, do the same thing in the text, and go ahead and send it. So I may not have anything predefined, but I actually can use this link to just go ahead and create any kind of email and send it out. And it's all coming from Adam going to your clients, and it'll all be logged right there. It'll track how many are sent. And that is an explanation of how to use your predefined notifications inside the Office Events section. Thank you.